Common colds. Protect yourself and others. Sore throat and runny nose are commonly the first signs and symptoms of a chilly, accompanied by means of coughing and sneezing. The general public recover in approximately 7 to 10 days. You may lessen your hazard of having a cold. Wash your arms regularly, keep away from close touch with sick humans, and don't contact your face with unwashed arms. Common colds are the main cause that youngsters leave out faculty and adults omit paintings. Every year in the U.S.A., there are millions of cases of the not unusual bloodless. Adults have an average of 2-3 colds in keeping with year, and children have even extra. Most of the people get colds in the wintry weather and spring, but it is viable to get a cold any time of the 12 months. Symptoms usually encompass sore throat, runny nose, coughing, sneezing, headaches, frame aches. Most of the people get better inside about 7 to 10 days. But humans with weakened immune systems, bronchial asthma, or respiration situations may also expand severe illness, inclusive of bronchitis or pneumonia. The way to guard yourself. Viruses that cause colds can unfold from inflamed human beings to others through the air and near non-public touch. You may additionally get infected through contact with stool, poop, or breathing secretions from an infected man or woman. You may help reduce your chance of getting a cold. Wash your hands regularly with cleaning soap and water. Wash them for 20 seconds, and assist younger kids do the same. If soap and water are not to be had, use an alcohol primarily based hand sanitizer. Viruses that purpose colds can stay for your fingers, and ordinary hand washing can shield you from getting sick. Keep away from touching your eyes, nostril, and mouth with unwashed palms. Viruses that motive colds can input your body this way and make you unwell. Stay far away from those who are ill. Sick human beings can unfold viruses that motive the common cold via close touch with others. How to protect others. If you have a cold, you ought to follow those suggestions to save you spreading it to different human beings. Live at home at the same time as you are ill, and hold children out of faculty or daycare at the same time as they're sick. Avoid near contact with others, along with hugging, kissing, or shaking hands. Flow away from people earlier than coughing or sneezing. Cough and sneeze into a tissue, then throw it away, or cough and sneeze into your top shirt sleeve, completely masking your mouth and nose. Wash your fingers after coughing, sneezing, or blowing your nose. Disinfect often touched surfaces and objects, including toys and doorknobs. There is no vaccine to protect you in opposition to the commonplace bloodless. How to experience better. There may be no therapy for a chilly. To feel better, you need to get lots of rest and drink plenty of fluids. Over-the-counter drug treatments may also help ease signs, however, will no longer make your cold go away any quicker. Constantly read the label and use medications as directed. Communicate on your physician earlier than giving your infant non-prescription bloodless drug treatments, due to the fact that some drugs incorporate ingredients that aren't advocated for children. Analyze extra about symptom relief of upper respiration infections, including colds. Antibiotics will no longer help you get over a cold due to a respiratory virus. They do no longer paintings towards viruses, and they may make it more difficult on your body to fight future bacterial infections, in case you take them unnecessarily. Learn extra approximately when antibiotics work. Whilst to see a medical doctor. You have to call your doctor in case you or your baby has one or greater of those situations. Signs and symptoms that final greater than 10 days. Symptoms which can be severe or uncommon. If your child is more youthful than 3 months of age, and has a fever or is lethargic. Humans at excessive risk for flu headaches encompass young children, younger than 5 years vintage, adults 65 years and older, pregnant ladies, and those with sure clinical conditions including asthma, diabetes, and coronary heart ailment. Your medical doctor can decide if you or your child has a chilly or the flu, and might advocate remedy to help with signs and symptoms. Reasons of the common cold. Many special respiratory viruses can motive the common cold, however, rhinoviruses are the maximum not unusual. Rhinoviruses also can trigger asthma assaults, and were connected to sinus and ear infections. Different viruses which can reason colds include respiration syncytial virus, human parainfluenza viruses, adenovirus, human coronaviruses, and human metapneumovirus. Realize the distinction between not unusual bloodless and flu. The flu, which is caused by influenza viruses, also spreads and causes illness around the identical time, because the not unusual bloodless. The flu, which is caused by influenza viruses, also spreads and causes illness around the identical time, because the not unusual bloodless. Due to the fact those two illnesses have similar signs, it can be difficult, or even impossible, to tell the difference among them based totally on signs by myself. In standard, flu signs and symptoms are worse than the commonplace cold, and can consist of fever or feeling feverish chills, cough, sore throat, runny or stuffy nose, muscle or body aches, headaches and fatigue, tiredness. Flu also can have very severe headaches. CDC recommends a yearly flu vaccination as the first and first-class way to save you the flu. If you get the flu, antiviral drugs can be a treatment choice.
If you want to read the article, I have put a link in the description. Do not forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to receive every new video, and also do not forget to share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.